Did you know that $4 billion in Bitcoin was stolen in 2019 alone? Scary, right? Don't be the next victim. Let's make sure your Bitcoins are safe and sound. A Bitcoin wallet is like a magical purse where you store your digital gold. It has two keys, a public one, which is like your email, and a private one, which is like your super secret password. Wallets come in all shapes and sizes. Hardware wallets are physical devices, software wallets live on your computer, and paper wallets are, well, paper. Choose your adventure. Picking a wallet is like choosing a pet. Consider its features, security, and ease of use. Popular choices are Ledger for hardware and MyTheWallet for software. Setting up a wallet is a breeze. Just follow the setup guide, and voila, you're the proud owner of a Bitcoin wallet. Don't forget to back up your keys. Quick note, depending on where you buy your Bitcoin, you may not be able to transfer it to a wallet. For example, Robinhood keeps your Bitcoin in their own wallet. Security is key. Did you know a guy lost Bitcoins worth $100 million because he forgot his wallet password? Always use strong passwords and back up your keys. And there you go. You're now a Bitcoin wallet wizard. Want to become a Bitcoin guru? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.